Hey, my name is Michael de la Cruz, and chances are you're looking to know how to make a lot of money. Well, my friend, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a lot of money on the internet, so stay tuned. Listen, before I found this way to make a lot of money online, I was living a paycheck life. I was in a job that was draining me, a job that actually didn't allow me to, have energy or time to spend with with my wife and my loved ones. So it wasn't until I found these three things I'm gonna share with you to make a lot of money online that that my breakthrough happened. So what are those three things? The first thing you need to make a lot of money online is pretty much a product that solves a problem, right? You need a quality product that solves a problem. The second thing you need is pretty much a high converting system that's going to do the telling and selling on your behalf, right? And this is what gives you freedom. The third thing you need is pretty much learn how to drive traffic into the system, right? So those are the three things. If you got those three things in place, guess what, my friend? You're going to be making a lot of money on the internet. Now, if you don't have these three things, then check this out. If you want to learn about a system that already has all of the three components already done for you, including your own personal coach is going to help you make a lot of money, go ahead and click the link below this video and fill out the form and just access that free video, because it's going to teach you exactly how you can get all this done for you and how you can start making a lot of money online. And not only that, you're going to get your own personal coach too. So just go ahead and click the link, learn about it, and we'll see you on the inside.